Alright, welcome back to Gribble's Garage. Today, I'm doing an oil change on my own truck. And I'm going to show you how to do it, just in case you didn't know.
So, this is what you're going to need. Your oil, your filter, an oil remover tool, a ratchet, and whatever socket your plug is, and a drain pan, and a water to stay hydrated, and your favorite drink, just because.
So I got the truck all on the lift, so it's easier. And then I got my drain pan. It's actually sitting on top of the trainee jack that I have. So, here's my old pan. This guy right here is my drain plug. So, we're gonna take that off. And then, get that off of there. Oh yeah. Drain the oil. Drain the swamp. Sketchy. She's really full. Alright. Man, now I can't touch anything because I got oil in my hands. Ooh, he's so full. Once your oil is all drained, you're gonna want to stick your plug back in so you don't forget. Don't drop it in the oil either, because that sucks. Then I remove the filter. Okay, the one I had here at the shop, too big. So we're gonna improvise and just use this.
Sometimes you just gotta use what you got.
And when you take the oil filter off, it's gonna dump oil, so don't make a mess. And don't drop it either, because that'll make a mess. Okay. So, get a funnel. Get a funnel, make sure it's clean, or don't, and spill oil everywhere. So, this is where I fill my oil. And I put I'm not afraid because I got a funnel. But I'll probably still spill. Oh.
The concentration.
So if you got a Chevy, it takes more oil. So before I add this, I'm gonna check the dipstick. It says engine oil on it. See where we're at. Almost. Not quite. I'm not used to having somebody film me. It's kind of weird. Used to being all alone.
Why are you wearing a jacket? It's fucking hot.
I don't know. Alright, we're full. To reset the oil change light, you're going to put the accessories on, but not start the vehicle, and then you're going to press the accelerator pedal 3 times in a row, and then you're going to shut it off, and then you're going to turn it on. And then it flashes and it should be reset. Alright, so what I like to do with the leftover oil is put it back in the container that I got the new oil from, and I just use a funnel and dump it in and try not to make a mess.
Because at Gribble's Garage, we go green.
You said that, I'm gonna spill over now.
If you fold it a little bit more. There you go.
Don't tell me how to do my job, bro. Maybe, I don't know.
Look at all the shininess in there.
Oh, what the? No, that was, this ring was sitting on the ground.
It's not gold?
It's bearing material. My truck's finally gonna blow up. I need the other one. Where's the other one? Dang, what was in here?
Only your oil. That thing was clean.
No. That'd be horrible, look.
Those are bearings, dude.
Be sure to like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. See you later. And this one's for my moms. Hi Mom, I dedicate this to you.
No, there's not enough light. Can't even see that. Cool, bro. And that's how you do an oil change.